If you use your ATV or UTV, and I mean really use it, not just as a grocery getter to head on down to the grocery store, there's a good chance you have an experience destroying your clutch, and no replacement that you've tried is going to be able to stand up to the abuse you're just going to keep doing time and time again. Stop the hassle. Don't just replace your clutch, upgrade it with the R-Series clutch kit from DURACLUTCH. 2 years of development has gone into the brand new DURACLUTCH R-Series, the very latest in clutch technology for the Polaris UTV and ATV market. Smoother starts, better engine braking, and longer belt life, all built into a durable primary and secondary to last you for years to come. So because of this thing's design, not only is it super simple to install, but it's actually going to extend the life of your transmission based on how well it plays with the components inside. Speaking of design, it was crafted for smooth and immediate engagement at lower RPMs, and that's one thing a lot of DK customers have noticed. The engagement is great and allows for more controlled maneuvers at lower speeds, and that engagement is pretty steady even in rugged or rough terrain. Fitment is limited, but they've got the Razor, the Ranger, and the General Series all covered. The kits include the primary, secondary, belt tools, shims, and Loctite. When it comes to purchasing one, highly recommend you give the DK Tech team a call. Because these are so easy to install, the tolerances are very, very tight, and you're going to want to make sure that you get the right one that lines up with the specs on your UTV. So give that DK Tech team a call. They'll be happy to point you to the right one.